Mamelodi Sundowns got off to the perfect start as Teboho Mokoena broke the deadlock just 9 minutes into the encounter to hand the host the lead. Coach Rulani Mokwena's side then pushed for the second goal, but the Chile boys stood firm at the back and the score was 1-0 to Sundowns at the interval. The hosts upped the tempo after the restart and they doubled their lead through substitute Tashreeq Matthews, who netted with 5 minutes left. The January transfer window signing's first goal for Sundowns sealed the team's well-deserved 2-0 victory over Chippa. The comfortable win saw the champions open a 12-point lead on top of the league standing, and they have also played 3 games fewer than second-placed Orlando Pirates. Mokwena is a goalsman of the match, having dominated the midfield battle from the first whistle, and his opening goal set the tone for the victorious Masantawana. It was a disappointing display for co-coaches Thabo September and Kwanele Kopos Chippa, who were outplayed by Sundowns on the night. The Brazilians will now renew their rivalry with Chippa United in Tuesday's Tshwane counter. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.